Welcome to Bashkortization channel. This is the first lesson of Bashkort language for English speakers. So, you have to memorize these words. Yoga, river, yoga. Kama, boat, kama. A man, kese, a man, man. Koyaş, insan, koyaş. Water. Who, water, who. And I will tell you some phrases which are very commonly used. For example, hayırlı irte. Good morning, hayırlı irte. Hayırlı gün. Good afternoon, hayırlı gün. Hayırlı kiss. Good evening, hayırlı kiss. Tanas yoko, good night. Tanas yoko, good night. You have to memorize these words, and you can also you should know that hayırlı means good, and kiss means evening. Afternoon is translated as kun. Irta means morning. But when you speak tanas yoko, it is different, because tanas is translated as calm and yoko is translated as sleeping. So calm, when you wish calm sleeping, you say calm sleeping or good night. It is the same, tanas yoko. So tanas yoko means calm sleeping, wishing calm sleep or good night. You have to know it. So, and when you say good day, you can say hauma. When you speak to one person, you say hauma. But when you speak to a lot of different people, 2, 3, 4 or more, you have to say hauma hagab. So, good day is translated as hauma hagab. You can say hello, salam, hello. So, when you want to say hello, you say salam, salam, hello, hello, salam. And you can say hauma, hauma, good day, hauma, good day. Okay, and if you want to say how do you do, you have to say heldar nisik, heldar nisik, how do you do? So, how do you do, heldar nisik? You see this river, this is Agidel river, and I'm sitting on the boat, and weather is rather good, but it's not very hot now because today is the end of August. That's why it's rather cold and nobody is swimming here. And you can see Ufa city there. The name of Ufa city in Bashkort language is Öfür. So Öfür is translated as Ufa city. Okay, and a little bit more words you have to know. What is your name? Is translated as Hedden ismeged ninday. What is your name? Hedden ismeged ninday. My name is Shamil. Minin ismim Shamil. My name is Shamil. Minin ismim Shamil. For example, if your name is Alexander, you can say my name is Alexander, or for example, Minin ismim Alexander. Minin ismim Alexander. So you know these words, and you can use these phrases when you come to Republic of Bashkortostan or when you speak to Bashkort people in some other places. And I am absolutely sure that Bashkort people will be very glad if you speak their native language to them. So study Bashkort language, and it is a very interesting language, and it is very useful for your brains to learn some languages and so on. Okay, and now we will memorize new words. Let's start. First of all, sun, koyaş, Koyaş. Sun. Koyaş. River. Yoga. Yoga. River. Yoga. Kama. Boat. Kama. Boat. Kama. Cloud. Bulut. Cloud. Bulut. Clouds. Bulutlar. Clouds. Bulutlar. Clouds. Okay. This is a boat. Buna kama. This is a boat. Buna kama. Buna kama. This is a boat. Buna kama. Okay. And you have to know some other words. Hayırlı irte. Good morning. Hayırlı irte. Hayırlı gün. Good afternoon. Hayırlı gün. Good afternoon. Hayırlı kiss. Good evening. Hayırlı kiss. Good evening. Tanas yoku. Good night. Tanas yoku. Good night. How do you do? Nisi kalder. How do you do? How ma hagad? Good day. And you will use this phrase if you speak to a lot of people, not to one person. How ma hagad is translated as good day. How ma is translated as good day, but if you speak to one person. How ma Heldar nisik is translated as how are you? Heldar nisik. How are you? Heldar nisik. And Heldar yakşı. I am well. Heldar yakşı. I am well. Heldar yakşı. I am well. You can say thank you. Thank you is translated as rahmat. Rahmat. Thank you. Rahmat. And you can say what is your name? Hedden isimigiz nindey. What is your name? Hedden isimigiz nindey. What is your name? Hedden isimigiz nindey. And you can say, for example, Minin isimim Alexander. It will be translated as my name is Alexander. Minin isimim Alexander. My name is Alexander. Minin isimim Shamil. My name is Shamil. Minin isimim Shamil. My name is Shamil. So, that's all for today. Please memorize these words, and it will be very useful for you to use these phrases and words in Bashkort language when you speak to Bashkort speaking people in Bashkortostan and other places. Okay, good luck to you.